Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on battery saver in your Moto G15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Moto G15 and you are wondering how to turn on battery saver. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G15 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say battery. After click over battery, you will find there something say battery saver. So if you decide to turn on battery saver, you can simply turn this on. So now you can see I have successfully turn on battery saver. If you decide to turn off battery saver, you can go again here in this settings section and then to scroll down, click here battery, and you can simply click here battery saver. You can simply turn this off. Also, there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off battery saver. So for that, you need to just swipe down in this quick access area and swipe right to left, and you will find here battery saver. So if I click over there, immediately my phone going to be turned on battery saver. If you decide to turn off battery saver, you can go again over same this section, swipe right to left, and you can simply click here battery saver off, and that's going to be off. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on or off battery saver in your Motorola Moto G15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.